My girls are wanting out. It's still like sprinkling. You girls want out? If it storms, they'll run back in again. I'll just come over here and shut the door. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Miss Blue. Get down. There you go. There's my new Silky. Come on. Last one out. Other than the broody ones in the boxes. When it starts, if it rains real hard, they all just run right back in there and I just go over there and shut the door. Miss Princess, you are filthy. Girl, you need a bath. Grandma Laverne, don't she? What you doing, Bernice? What you doing, baby? Yep, lots of water to walk in. Run in. Okay. Enjoy until it starts storming again.